Everyone nearby, and save file to receive download is right here, and share across device. You can share it with everybody nearby on or off. Microsoft account, work on student account. Okay, that's all for shared experiences. Next, remote desktop. The remote desktop screen here. You can connect PC from a mobile Android, blah 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 blah. Here. Let's move on because that's the about section I already showed you. So that's for the setting setting folder whatever at home here. So if you don't know anything, it's not you want to know something but it's not in list. You can type it here to search it. Okay, that's for the display session. Display setting session. Display setting session here. So let me stop right here. Later I'll go something else for you. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. Okay, now you can make the bigger, smaller, hide there. This right here. Turn this on. Closes. Done.